let's get specific about your core strength. What I like to use to really know exactly where your core strength is a simple blood pressure cuff. So what I'm going to have you do in this video is learn how and why we use a blood pressure cuff to know exactly where our core strength is at. So taking the blood pressure cuff and lining it up with the center of your low back and lying down on your back, keeping your knees bent. Then close up the bulb on your blood pressure cuff, and you want to pump your blood pressure cuff up to 40 millimeters mercury. Wiggle around a little bit because this is a trifold and you got to get the air to evenly disperse through the blood pressure cuff. Once it holds at 40 with your wiggle, then you know you're ready to begin. And what I'm going to show you here is that all I have done is I have laid down in my most comfortable position, which means I am in my neutral spine. I have a normal curve in my low back that needs to be maintained while I am doing activities, walking, jogging, standing, washing dishes, making a bed. And so here we are going to strengthen our core specifically using our neutral spine. So once you're in your neutral spine and have your 40 millimeters mercury, go ahead and flatten your low back. You should notice that the needle will go up. When you've done this, you are using your skeleton to stabilize your spine and no longer your muscles. Then back to neutral. If you arch off of the blood pressure cuff, you've lost all muscular support and you've gone the other direction. So back to neutral. You should be able to breathe comfortably here without the needle moving. Then the key is to tighten up your lower abdominals, drawing your belly button in and down without moving your low back, just to stabilize the muscles. If that is hard for you to feel, put your hand on the inside of your hip bone and cough. You'll feel that muscle jump under your fingertips, and that's the one you want to contract to stabilize your lower back. So right now, we are contracting our lower abdominal muscles called the transverse abdominis and co-contracting in our lower lumbar multifidi, which are our deep spinal stabilizers. In the next videos, I will show you exact progression of exercises to progress your core strength.